Welcome back, Crypto in 10. Alright, here what we got. Today is the 10 o'clock in the morning. It is on the 8th of November, election day in the United States. And we are looking over here at the market on our watch list, and we're seeing a lot of red. I don't think it's because average. Video here. Let's go over to ProCoin News. Here we have the ProCoin News headline. U.S. seizes over $1 billion worth of Bitcoin connected to the Silk Road marketplace. Well, we know Silk Road is the China, Russia thing that's going on with their trade deal and how they're using their currencies and things like that. So that's one of our headlines that I think is one of the biggest things that's moving the market right now, not just the election. Although there's a lot of legislation with some that are currently Congress people, and then some that are coming in with, of course, regulation to crypto. But we know in the end we're going to a digital-based currency. It's in the works. It's been in the works since Bitcoin has been on the scene. Alright, so here we go. We have here's one that just popped up while we were sitting here. SEC summary judgment unlikely. So where yesterday they had a case against Library where they issued what they would consider the SEC securities on the Library coin or token, we might not see an SEC summary judgment in the SEC for XRP. XRP's down right now. A bunch of them are down right now. So that's basically what we're looking at. Bitcoin less volatile than stocks. How crypto can change healthcare. So these are, if you go to procoinnews.com, you can click on a lot of these. I'm not going to go into the individuals of these right now. Probably touch base on some of these bigger articles because we're going to a digital base. We're going to a blockchain technology. We're already here. Here's another one right here. Let's click over here. This is Circle announcing the Euro coin. Alright, so we got the Euro C. Over here we have the USDC. So now the Euro has a Euro coin, which USDC is USDC coin. That's basically what it's called. And it's Circle is what it is. And they've been announced the different things. So FTX, which is one of your largest exchanges, are going to support the Euro coins deposits and withdrawals. And we see all of this stuff going on with Euro having to actually buy back their debt. We see Japan did it. We saw Britain did it. And so our economies are not that great right now. All right. So Euro-backed stablecoin, Circle launched Eurocoin June this year. So it's something that's already happened, and most people don't even realize these are happening. EuroC is regulated, so it's already regulated. It's being watched. It's being monitored. It's a Euro-backed stablecoin, and that's not to say that it can't be hacked. There's nothing can happen. Anything can happen. 2020 definitely showed me in many different ways a lot of things that we would have said never happened did happen. Sharing the same full reserve model as the USDC. So it's built upon the same ladder concept and transparency and security. So, you know, USDT, who knows, maybe in the next day or so, maybe that'll be the thing that kind of solidifies this big down push in the crypto market. All right, so let's go to another article over here. We got the Coinbase. So we're talking about the USDC here and the EuroC. So now let me show you what was said just the other day by the USDC. Alright, so we got the Coinbase CEO of the USDC will become the de facto central currency. So Coinbase has posted week Q3 earnings. Everything's down right now in the crypto market. But so we got crypto winter coming. We've already been in the crypto winter. My thought for over a year. Alright. So we just talked about the EuroC, and now all of a sudden USDC is saying to become the de facto central bank digital currency. So that it's basically, it's not not a crypto that goes up and down. It's a stable coin, just like we were talking about with the Euro C, which was like the dollar. The dollar doesn't go gigantically, you know, it increases over time as we see the inflation, but it doesn't something that you can be traded like Bitcoin. It doesn't go up and down like that. All right, San Francisco-based Coinbase did report a bright spot amid the losses. A category called interest income filed under subscription service revenue, and the SEC rose $108 million in the third quarter. A figure that is more than 3 times higher than $32.5 million it posted in the second quarter. All right, so this right here is where it's at. Well, interest income is what they call staking, or they actually give interest even if you just hold a coin. You don't even have to stake it. You just hold USDC on Coinbase, and they give you, you know, a interest rate. Like right now, you might get I don't know, 0.25 or something for savings in a regular savings account. Maybe you can get 1% in some of these online banking accounts, but this here, you could put your money in Coinbase and USDC, which is not going to go up or down a lot. It's going to pretty much remain steady, and they'll give you, I mean, some places will give you 5% APY on holding USDC. So more and more people are actually getting their checks, having their checks direct deposited to Coinbase. That's a option that you can do. You got BlackRock, Google, that's diversifying and going into USDC. So telling you little by little what's fixing to happen. Here you go. Armstrong said he predicted it will become the largest in the world ahead of Tether, which is currently the largest stablecoin. So little by little, I'm watching. You'll see more and more of the coins where they'll have a pair paired with USDC. So where like Bitcoin used to be Bitcoin USDT, you can actually, you know, you can see Bitcoin going to USDC. You can see ADA, which is Cardano, being paired with USDC. You're seeing more and more of these. Data is not yet, as far as I know, as of today, it is not. So these are just things to be watching out for. We're going to click back over to the chart real quick and let's see what's going on. And then, alright, so we got Bitcoin pulled up here. We got is the bottom in. I put this arrow back on here on September 28th. Here we hold that bottom. Will we hold that bottom? 18,133. So we will find out. Currently, right now, we are still trading the Bitcoin. As this is just trading suggestions. This is not trading advice. You must trade at your own risk. And trading is risky. So don't put anything in that you're not willing to lose. That is my trading suggestion. So here we have this green line we put in, this green trend line, basically tracing back this RSI. As we see, we have not broke this trend line yet. So we'll see if this RSI comes all the way down here, comes back down to 18,000. Very well could. It's at 19,300 right now, so it would be a 1,000-point drop. Nothing real big for Bitcoin. It's done worse than that in times past, but we're down, you know, 10, 12% on some of these. Some of these 8. Let's see what we got. Cardano is probably the least amount. It's down 2.9. Alright, so let's look at one more here. Let's go down to XRP since we had that news come out about there's no summary judgment and see what's happening. See if there was anything come out. Nah, could be. We're looking at the Hakanashi too. Like I said, I use the Hakanashi. It's just much smoother for tracing trends. See, I mean, you got red, green all over there, but alright, so whether that was it, you know, at midnight, because that candle would have closed at 4 o'clock. We have not touched that. So, you know, let's just put a line right there. Let's see. Let's put a little alert. So you right click that, you click on that line. Alright, you come over here, crossing, horizontal line, and we're just going to do only once. Let's see if it drops down to there again. Alright, you set that alert. Alright, so later on we're going to go over some charts and just for some thought. There's long-term trading, there's swing trading, and then there's short-term, you know, the 15 to 1 hour chart. So I did some figuration with the chart that my wife came up with, and just basically you put in the numbers. So you would back test, like on this one right here, you would come over here, you put your cursors there, it'd go to 11/4, November 4th, 2022, and you look up above that, and of course your price is right here. So if you watch, it moves as I move that cursor, and then my finger lines up, and so that was at 0.4888. You'd put that in this little chart, and then you would either buy 100% or buy 50%, however you want to do it. I don't know that we can share that. I don't. But anyways, we'll go through that on the next video. And then of course you have your sell, and you would have sold at that candle according to my trading suggestion. Like I said, I'm not giving you trading advice. I've been able to leave my job after 17 years and do crypto trading, and that in which it's very analytical, and my mind is very analytical mind for those that know me. So anyways, critical thinking, I try to utilize that once in a while. So anyways, we will see you in the next video.